Don't miss this 2014 GMC Acadia. It's equipped with automatic transmission and features a carbon black metallic exterior. With 10 miles, you'll want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Contact Dale Howard at 800-798-1690 and see this vehicle firsthand.